Monica Vishwakarma, India!
Name 3 contestants which are most deserving and 3 नाम लो which are least deserving. I feel like मैं ज्ञान देती नहीं हूँ.
So you're a good student.
I think I am.
Okay. May I know the hero?
Bollywood villain Mogambo, Infinite. It was magical. Forts are amazing in Rajasthan, बहुत well maintained. But the beauty of Rajasthan is in the streets of it.
নমস্কার, দ্য ওয়ালে আপনাদের স্বাগত। কিছু কিছু সময় ভীষণ সুন্দরীরা পাশে বসে থাকলে নিজেকে আর মনে হয় যে আমিও বেশ সুন্দর তো। আর সেই সুন্দর যদি মিস ইউনিভার্স হয় তাহলে তো নিজেকে আর একটু কাছাকাছি যেতে ইচ্ছে করে। সেরকম একটি কাছাকাছি পর্যায়ে এবং মুহূর্তে আমি রয়েছি। আমার সঙ্গে রয়েছেন মনিকা বিশ্বকর্মা, রাইট? সো ইয়োর নেম ইজ মনিকা বিশ্বকর্মা। ডু ইউ নো বিশ্বকর্মা ইজ এ গড?
Yeah.
And you are so connected with neuro things and all this stuff.
Yes.
So how do you feel coming from a city, Sri Ganganagar? Do you have any lesson that you have got from the city? अब तक नहीं छोड़ा वो?
One lesson which I have learned from Ganganagar is कि कैसे अपने लोगों को support करते हैं. This is very different क्योंकि when you come from a small city, you usually lack support. When it comes to Ganganagar, one thing is there. Ganganagar takes pride in its talent. And that pride they always had in every single person. That particular support even I got. So अभी भी social media पे and even when I visit there, बहुत प्यार, बहुत support है.
ठीक. Do you know Arijit Singh? You know, right? So Arijit Singh belongs from Jiaganj. वो भी मतलब वो roots नहीं छोड़ते, मतलब.
Yeah. वो छूटते ही नहीं, वो कभी नहीं जाएगा.
Do you feel bad that he will not sing anymore in playback?
I feel whatever happens now, it happens for a reason. And if he has left the stage of his life, it's for something higher, something bigger. And that we can see happening, which has never been done in music industry before. I can sense that kind of like quick fire hai, which is coming and which is much needed. That independence which is required.
ठीक. Monica, economics और political science, right?
Yes.
So economics और political science में कहीं ऐसा रास्ता नहीं है जो गुजरता है पेजेंट की तरफ, right? So कैसे हुआ ये?
Well, I felt like हर चीज़ connected होना ज़रूरी नहीं होता. One thing I felt was कि हाँ ठीक है, I enjoyed studying political science. I enjoyed studying like economics. So I knew one thing that if I have to be a good student, I have to study something that I like.
So you're a good student.
I think I am.
Okay.
Like हाँ चल जाता है, काम चल जाता है, उतना अच्छा है. So हाँ, I kept it very simple. I have to study something which I absolutely love and enjoy, and this was like one thing that I enjoyed.
ठीक. तो beauty with brain says. So एक जब इतना सारा ऑडियंस रहता है, फिर जजेस भी रहता है, ऐसे हुआ है कभी क्वेश्चन में खूब अनकंफर्टेबल फील हुआ हो, आंसर नहीं देना चाहिए था, फिर भी देना जरूरी है, ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
आज तक तो नहीं हुआ, but there was this one question जो कि Miss Universe India में हर किसी से पूछा गया था. 2 of them actually. Name 3 contestants which are most deserving and 3 नाम लो which are least deserving.
Okay.
And that I felt like yeah, everybody on that stage is very deserving. But
कॉन्फिडेंस लैक हो जाता है किसका अगर नाम ले
हाँ. So how do we name somebody who is not deserving on that stage? That made me very nervous.
ठीक. और आप कोलकाता में आए हो, मतलब
Well, this is my first time in Calcutta and मैं क्या बताऊँ? So I consider it luck. I consider it a beautiful opportunity to explore this beautiful city, and it all happened because of Lakme Academy. So I'm here for Lakme Academy, powered by Aptic, in Kamak Street. So this is this amazing opportunity that I got to interact with these students. It's one of the oldest academies in East India, and it has been running for 9 years, and that experience truly shows.
ठीक, ये
so
तो
it was a wonderful experience.
प्रोफेसर और मतलब टीचर हम लोग को बहुत ज्ञान देता है.
हाँ, बहुत.
आपने क्या दिया ये स्टूडेंट को?
I feel like मैं ज्ञान देती नहीं हूँ. Whenever I interact with students now, I always feel like I end up learning something more.
Okay.
क्योंकि I feel like I've been on a certain level of disconnect with my college life अभी. तो whenever I meet students ना, that little hunger, that little curiosity वो उनकी आंखों में होती है, आंखें टिमटिमा रही होती है, and that spark is something I always catch upon.
ठीक. मोनिका, जब आप इतना बड़ा स्टेज में जाते हो, कितना कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, फिर और बड़ा कुछ जो दोस्त लोग होते हैं ना, वो कहते हैं कि बहुत बड़ा हो गया भाई, तू अब चैट व्हाट्सएप का मैसेज का रिप्लाई नहीं देता है, ब्लू टिक करके सीन करके, ऐसा हुआ है कभी? हाँ, छूट गए बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स?
बहुतों के साथ में होता है, बट I've been very lucky कि मेरे जो starting से दोस्त थे वही थे.
अच्छा.
And आज भी everybody who is there ना, they always have this thing like you don't reply on text time पे. But if I don't, वो next day घर पे आ जाएंगे.
अच्छा.
So this is definitely there. I have the best of the best friends and kind of like उस journey में उनका बहुत बड़ा role रहा है. दोस्तों के बिना possible नहीं होता.
ठीक. और एक बात भी पूछना है जो पेजेंट जब मिस यूनिवर्स होता है, मिस वर्ल्ड होता है, इंडिया होता है, तो उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप होता है कुछ किसी फिल्म का ऑफर. आपको मिला है अभी तक? कहाँ से?
So this is like a thing that comes with Miss Universe India. We have this ticket to Bollywood and they offer a movie to the winner of Miss Universe India and that is what I got.
So कब से शूटिंग शुरू है?
Hopefully this year.
This year. और this year ही रिलीज?
No, not possible. Because movie production is a long process, so this is most likely it's going to start this year, and that is the next one.
May I know the hero?
Well, we'll wait for the announcement.
Okay, fine. मैंने बोला था न्यूरो नोवा के बारे में थोड़ा सा अपडेट कर सकते हैं आप? कैसे एंटरप्रेन्योर भी है आप?
So
you have such a lovely smile, you know.
Thank you so much.
Because some questions need not to be answered. You can manage with.
I'm a little blushy right now.
You can blush it well, but the thing is that you can manage it to smile also. कई question अगर कुछ लगता है.
Pageants में smile इसीलिए बोलते हैं. It's the most important weapon in pageants. Question नहीं आता.
ठीक.
Smile.
तो न्यूरोनोवा के बारे में बोलिए.
So Neuronova is an initiative which I started when I realized that I had ADHD. I got diagnosed with ADHD and it's a very funny story. It happened during one of my pageant coachings. One of my coaches told me that you should maybe come up to me, and that is when like she ran me through all the tests and she told me like ठीक है तुम हो, and I was like ये तो बता नहीं सकते हम क्योंकि ऐसे तो beauty queens नहीं होती हैं with all kinds of imperfections that we carry. We haven't seen people like that in the like public space doing something wonderful. So I decided to hide it initially. And I was like, ऐसे तो नहीं जी पाएंगे. We have to do something because I do carry certain strengths with me, which is something that ADHDers also carry. We might not understand time, so we might not be on time in most places, but at the same time, we have the ability to work for hours and hours and hours on something. We might not have the best balance of standing in one place, but we do have that risk-taking ability in us, and we have this certain creativity about us, which makes us stand out. We have this hyperactivity कि बच्चे जो हैं ADHD वाले इधर उधर दौड़ते रहते हैं, भागते रहते हैं. But at the same time, these kids are extremely sharp. They like to explore everything. Their brains are open. They're not confined by the kind of traditional education that usually manages to do with the usual minds. That doesn't happen with ADHD kids. So brains बहुत sharp होते हैं. If we only try to spread awareness about what ADHD brings to the table and at the same time also talk about the struggles they face because of the traditional education system which is not fit to accommodate these kind of kids, then I feel like it can be a world which can be way more kinder to people with neurodivergence, and at the same time we can finally start working on certain changes that are required in the system. So this is what Neuronova was all about. It was more about bringing personalities, doing webinars, talking to people, and most importantly talking to students and making them aware of their issues, and at the same time starting this chain of having therapists in the school and also making teachers more aware of it, because identifying neurodivergence and tackling the students with it, that education, it's very difficult. It already exists in B.Ed and all kinds of education, so kind of like courses which are existing in India, but nobody puts it much like effort into it. एक chapter से आप नहीं सीख सकते. You need psychologists there.
ठीक. आप तो राजस्थान की. I have never been to राजस्थान. तो आप जाएंगे, मैं अगर जाऊँगा तो कहाँ घुमाएंगे आप?
If you go to Rajasthan, it would be very unusual, but I'll take you first of all to Ganganagar. Okay, your hometown. Because absolutely, that's the most northern part of Rajasthan, and वहाँ से you realize where that culture of North to Gujarat comes from. ठीक. आप राजस्थान में गंगानगर में जाएंगे, वहाँ पे you'll find Punjabi culture, you'll also find Haryanvi culture, you'll find a little bit of that Lahori culture as well, and the food. And the food is amazing. And then you move towards Jaipur. Jaipur में forts वगैरह visit नहीं करने हैं. You visit the streets instead. क्योंकि forts वगैरह हाँ ठीक है. You can visit Amer Fort, you can visit Nagarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort. Forts are amazing in Rajasthan, बहुत well maintained. But the beauty of Rajasthan is in the streets of it. वहाँ पे जाके, if you talk to the merchants, if you talk to people, you'll realize what handicraft truly means.
So in the last part of the interview, I will just ask some rapid fire question. Are you ready for that?
Absolutely.
Fine. So the first question is, coffee or chai?
Chai.
Great. सही में heels या sneakers backstage?
Heels.
Heels.
हाँ.
Comfortable with heels?
Yeah.
Great. Favorite Bollywood villain?
Favorite Bollywood villain, Mogambo.
अगर फिल्म बनती आपकी जिंदगी पर, किस एक्ट्रेस से आप चाहोगे कि आपका रोल प्ले करे? Please don't tell Deepika Padukone.
I love
It's too
Tripti
overrated.
Dimri.
हाँ?
I love Tripti Dimri.
Tripti, right. Dream travel destination after Miss Universe?
Dream travel destination after Miss Universe.
Paris?
I am going to go to Cannes, so that was one of the dream destinations that
On
I
the red
always
carpet?
had. Yeah.
With a red gown or black? So
Possibly yes. Somehow na in these kind of interviews मेरे gowns के colors बहुत reveal हुए हैं.
हाँ,
Before Miss Universe as well.
ठीक.
सबने red guess कर लिया था, सबने pink guess कर लिया था, golden guess कर लिया था.
Early bird or night owl?
Night owl.
Rainy day का कोई
हाँ.
mood song आपका?
बारिश from Yaria.
One fear you want to conquer this year, 2026.
One fear that I want to conquer this year. It is to finally take some break and go out on my own. I've never done solo traveling, so this is one fear that I have, and
Okay.
I know I really want to do it because I recently went on a movie alone. It was scary a little because the entire theater was empty, but still बहुत मजा आया.
आपको हिल्स अच्छा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता
दार्जिलिंग
है.
में चले जाइए, हमारे पास बहुत जगह है. मतलब ये फेवरेट प्लेस है मेरा.
Yesterday you were discussing in Miss Universe West Bengal if Darjeeling में हो जाए तो we are signing a petition for it.
If you had a theme song walking onto a stage, what's the title?
You are my universe.
Deserted island. And you have to take one book.
If I have to take one book with me,
Do you read books?
not that much,
Okay.
but if I have to take a book, it would probably be Minutes of Magic.
Great.
It's a lot of speeches, and that's one book which I have been able to read again and again and again.
Instagram caption you use most?
There's this spooky wala, the bow and stars. I use that the most. Most of the pictures has that.
Great. One word to describe 2025 for you.
Infinite. It was magical.
Thank you talking to us.
Thank you so much for having me.
You have
It
to
was a
learn
blast.
Bengali as well. Some.
थोड़े टाइम में मुझे लग रहा है if Lakme Academy calls me more often, I'll learn.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এরকম অনেক সাক্ষাৎকার, আড্ডা, আলোচনা দেখতে দ্য ওয়ার্ল্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন। নিচে একটা নোটিফিকেশন বাটন আছে, যেটা প্রত্যেকবার আপনাদের বলতে আপনারা সেটা করেন না। ইন্টারভিউগুলো দেখে জাস্ট নোটিফিকেশনটা না টিপে চলে যান। সো প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের চ্যানেলটা, সব রকম খবর পেতে। আমার সঙ্গে ক্যামেরা শুভম, আর আমি শুভঙ্কর দ্য ওয়াল।